Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Amani McGregor and I'm the founder and CEO here at Luxury House Search. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all our latest videos. And if you're on IG, make sure you follow us at Luxury House Search. Here at Luxury House Search, we are the premier real estate team to help you throughout your real estate experience. If you're thinking about renting, buying, or selling, make sure you visit us at luxuryhousesearch.com and one of our luxury specialists can help you. Here are 7 great reasons not to wait to sell your home this holiday season. Number 1, buyers are active now. And as mentioned in my previous videos, right now, rates are historically low, providing motivation for those who are ready to get more home for their money over the life of their home loan. Right now, your payment is less for a larger home until rates go up. This right here is a game changer. In our real estate market here in Los Angeles, we're seeing multiple bidding wars and homes on the market for about 20 to 25 days and selling over asking. Right now, buyers are searching high and low for the perfect home this holiday season, and the buyers who have been looking for the past, few months are just tired and exhausted, and they're just ready to find a home, and it's just simply not enough inventory right now. Number 2, buyers who are looking for homes during the holidays are serious and they want to buy. So this means you're not going to be dealing with a lot of looky-loos. From my experience as a real estate agent, around spring, summertime, many people love touring beautiful homes on the weekend, during their free time, just because it's something fun to do, right? I totally get it, but if you're a seller, this could be a problem. Number 3, you can restrict the showings in your house to the days and times that are most convenient for you, or even select virtual options as well. You'll remain in control, especially in today's seller's market. The holiday gives you an excuse to be more picky with your time. Buyers are more understanding because they understand most people are traveling or with their family or just doing different holiday activities, and they're totally more open with it. So this is also a great time if you're busy around the holidays. Number 4, homes decorated for the holidays appeals to many buyers. It will give you a chance to show your home's best features for the curb appeal to the beautiful interior. And besides, something about Christmas decorations are just so warm and cheerful. So have fun with it. Be creative, maybe using the fireplace or the den. Who doesn't like to see a beautiful home decorated and smelling like Christmas? Number 5, during the holiday season, it is a seller's market. There's less competition for you as a seller. There are currently more buyers looking in the market than homes available. So over the past year, inventory has declined to record lows, making the opportune time to sell your house where there are more buyers than sellers in the market. If you're looking for an agent in Los Angeles, make sure you visit luxuryhousesearch.com. Number 6, the desire to own a home doesn't stop during the holidays. Sometimes the desire increases. They were looking for a new home for a larger kitchen or more space for the family. Now they need it more than ever for family gatherings and other great things. Buyers who have been searching summer to fall have been running into more and more bidding wars, and some are still on the lookout. So your home may be the perfect gift for their family this holiday season. Number 7, so it's to the end of the year and you haven't checked off one of the biggest to-dos on your list, and that is to sell your beautiful home, to buy a home that you've been looking for and your family deserves. It's a big decision, I know, but wouldn't it be exciting to start the new year off in your beautiful new home? Sincerely, more than ever, this may be the year. What makes the most sense to a fresh start and a gift, a new home to you and your family? Let's connect today to determine if selling now is the best move for you. Visit luxuryhousesearch.com to connect with my team and I, and we look forward to helping you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Amani McGregor. You can follow me on Instagram at Amani_McGregor. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to keep up with all our latest videos, and follow us at Luxury House Search on Instagram as well. And until next time, I will see you in our next video.